This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Volkswagen Golf. This compact has a 6-speed manual transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a turbocharger, a sports suspension, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, heated washer fluid, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. A certified pre-owned Volkswagen offers you peace of mind with benefits including a painstakingly detailed 112-point inspection process, a 2-year 24,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty with no deductible, and 2 years of 24-hour roadside assistance. This Volkswagen has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.